Hi, Susie Valentine, Realtor with Century 21 Now Realty. Today we're in Corona, California looking at this beautiful model home by Lennar Homes. Come join me in this beautiful house tour. This is a 4-bedroom, 4 and 1/2 bathroom house with a 2-car garage. Today we are in the gated community Sierra Bella, which is in the Sierra Del Oro area of Corona, California. We will be viewing the Residence 4 model, which is a 2-story home by Lennar Homes, showcased with optional builder upgrades. This spacious living room, also known as the Great Room, has an elegant fireplace, large windows, and recessed lights. The open floor plan home measures approximately 3,401 square feet. The kitchen is centrally located and puts you in the middle of entertaining your guests. The kitchen nook is bright and perfect for casual dining, with fantastic views of the backyard. Next to the kitchen was a prep kitchen, which can be used for parties or anytime you want to keep your main one sparkling clean. The large gourmet chef's kitchen has sleek countertops, gorgeous backsplash, and beautiful cabinets. The center island has a breakfast bar, which is perfect when you just feel like having a quick bite. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances such as a cooktop stove, dishwasher, double oven, and a microwave. The kitchen also has direct garage access. It's a perfect shortcut when you're bringing in the groceries. The large walk-in pantry has lots of shelving and a spot to tuck away your vacuum and mops. The builder has added a tranquil outdoor living area with a covered patio, ceiling fan, and a fireplace, which is also known as a California room. This spacious backyard would be perfect for entertaining your guests for barbecues and parties. It almost feels like your own private hideaway, and it would be such a nice spot to sit, relax, and enjoy our fabulous Southern California weather. And if you're like me and enjoy gardening, you're probably already thinking of what you're going to plant first. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The dining room was decorated with eye-catching trim, and they added a classic lighting fixture. The downstairs bedroom has a window, carpet, closet, and an ensuite bathroom with shower. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. The powder room has a toilet and a cabinet with a sink. Now let's view the upstairs. Upstairs, you will find a large loft with windows that really bring the light in. The second bedroom has carpet, a window, and a closet. It also has an ensuite bathroom with shower in the bathtub. The laundry room is featured with cabinets, a utility sink, and washer-dryer hookups. Down the hall, you will find the guest bathroom. It has dual sinks and a private water closet with shower in the bathtub. The third bedroom is carpeted, has windows, and a closet. The master bedroom suite is grand and has lots of windows. There's also a private master retreat and a covered balcony with ceiling fan. And it also has beautiful views of Corona, California. The attached master bathroom has dual sinks, a soaking tub, and a shower. The first walk-in closet is rather large and has storage shelves, single and double pulls with plenty of room for both summer and winter clothing. The second closet features double pulls and shelves. There is also a private water closet. This home also includes green features, such as dual glazed vinyl windows with energy-efficient Low-E glass, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, LED lighting, and a tankless water heater. The home also has heating, air conditioning with a programmable thermostat. If you're interested in this home and would like more information or would like to schedule a private tour, please give me a call, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video. This gorgeous new home is truly an entertainer's delight. Let's make this house your home.